Once doubted and delayed, the Tesla Semi is now poised to transform the transportation industry. For the first time in history, an electric truck can travel up to 500 miles on a single charge and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds, even while hauling 36 tons of cargo. It's all set to replace the noisy, polluting diesel trucks of the past. But that's not all. The upcoming second generation of the Semi promises to be faster, more powerful, and equipped with an innovative feature that will leave truck drivers amazed. Elon Musk has stated that this breakthrough will be a game changer, helping transport companies save millions of dollars each year and making the Tesla Semi the top choice for transportation fleets. And here's the most mind-blowing part. Once the Giga Semi factory is fully operational, Tesla will be able to produce a Semi every 5 minutes. By 2025, the company plans to hit a major milestone with at least 10,000 Semis on the road, ready to dominate the market. So what makes the second generation Semi so special? What technologies will allow it to outperform diesel trucks? And why will companies that don't adopt the Tesla Semi risk losing out on massive profits? Let's dive into the secrets behind this electric powerhouse. Welcome to Tesla Car World. The Tesla Semi factory is advancing at an incredible pace, possibly even ahead of schedule. Production is expected to ramp up by mid-2026, with Tesla aiming for an annual capacity of 50,000 units by the end of the year. But given the current progress, they might start even sooner. A recent construction update from Zangler shows clear signs of acceleration. The factory is about 68% complete, with the southwest corner's foundation almost finished and the first rows of steel columns already in place. This suggests that the steel framework could be going up in the next few weeks. The stamping pit, one of the most complex sections of the factory, has been backfilled and compacted, indicating that Tesla is ready to move forward with building the surrounding structure. Additionally, large storage tanks have appeared on site, sparking speculation. Could Tesla be switching to CATL prismatic batteries instead of the current 2,170 cells? Or are these tanks connected to another critical part of the production process? Meanwhile, the drainage system is finished, and the parking lot is well underway. The future of the Tesla Semi is shaping up to be even more impressive than we ever expected. Fencing is being put up, and propane tanks are being strategically placed, likely to provide heating for the facility or to speed up the concrete curing process. All signs indicate that Tesla is ramping up progress at an impressive pace. When we say Tesla could produce a semi-truck every 5 minutes, it might sound unbelievable, right? We were skeptical too, but they might just pull it off. As we know, semi-trucks, like most Class 8 vehicles, require much more manual assembly than passenger cars or light-duty trucks. This is because of their larger size and higher complexity, which makes fully automating the manufacturing process a challenge. On top of that, the production volume for Class 8 trucks is much lower than for passenger cars, usually only a few hundred units per year, making it less cost-effective to invest in fully automated production lines. Additionally, these trucks are often customized based on specific customer needs, including engine types, motors, transmissions, suspensions, and axle lengths. This level of customization requires a flexible assembly process that still depends heavily on human labor. However, certain stages, like frame welding, painting, and the installation of standardized components, are automated to ensure precision and efficiency in production. So how could Tesla possibly build a Semi every 5 minutes? It's all made possible by the massive scale of Tesla's new factory, along with the existing Nevada facility. With this setup, achieving such a production rate is very feasible. Elon Musk has confidently stated that once the factory is operating at full capacity, it could produce up to 50,000 trucks per year, an ambitious yet challenging goal. As we know, Giga Nevada not only manufactures the Semi, but also produces batteries on site, eliminating the need to wait for battery shipments from other factories. This is a huge advantage, especially for optimizing the assembly process for these heavy-duty trucks. Moreover, as we've mentioned before, the Tesla Semi's electric motors and battery systems have far fewer components than the complex diesel engines in traditional trucks. This simplification drastically reduces the assembly time. Now let's break down what 50,000 trucks per year really means. That's more than 135 trucks a day, over 5 trucks per hour, or roughly one truck every 12 minutes. It's a bold goal, but with Tesla's scale and efficiency, it might just be within reach. Tesla currently completes a Semi every 10 to 15 minutes, and if the company continues optimizing its production processes, the goal of finishing a truck every 5 minutes might soon move from a vision to a reality. However, to truly dominate the market, Tesla needs to scale up even further. Looking at the bigger picture, in 2023, a total of 297,000 Class 8 trucks were sold in the US and Canada, with industry giants like Kenworth and Peterbilt accounting for 190,000 of those sales. This means that while reaching 50,000 trucks per year is an impressive milestone, Tesla would need to double its production to become a true industry leader. But Tesla isn't just manufacturing trucks. They're rethinking the entire trucking industry. With the Semi, they're offering a cleaner, quieter, and lower emission alternative to traditional diesel trucks. Major companies like PepsiCo, Walmart, DHL, and Costco have already recognized this shift and are eager to add the Tesla Semi to their fleets. And Tesla isn't stopping there. The company is steadily moving closer to mass producing the second-generation Semi. So far, most of the units produced have been first-generation prototypes using 2,170 battery cells, with around 100 trucks delivered to customers. But this is just the beginning. Dan Priestley, head of Tesla Semi Engineering, has revealed that large-scale production of the next-gen model will begin once Tesla gathers enough real-world data and expands its megacharger network. This means the next-gen Semi could be ready as soon as next year, just as Tesla is on the verge of revolutionizing truck manufacturing. Regarding the batteries, we don't believe Tesla will use CATL batteries. While they are cheaper and could lower the overall cost of the Semi, CATL batteries simply don't offer the performance Tesla needs for this vehicle. Some leaked reports suggest that the second-generation Tesla Semi will transition from using 2,170 battery cells to the more advanced 4,680 cells. This change aims to deliver significant improvements in both performance and production costs. The 4,680 cell, Tesla's preferred choice for high-performance electric vehicles, offers a higher energy density, which will increase the driving range without requiring more battery cells, while also improving fast charging capabilities. Additionally, the tabless design of the 4680 battery reduces the number of components, simplifies the manufacturing process, and makes the Semi lighter, ultimately improving efficiency and performance. These 4,680 batteries will make the Tesla Semi even more cost competitive, extend its driving range, and enhance its operational efficiency, giving it a significant edge over other electric trucks on the market. With the Giga Semi project already about 68% complete, the massive 4 million square foot factory is coming into sharper focus, backed by a $3.6 billion investment. We believe that not only will the Tesla Semi be produced at this facility, but other models as well, such as the Tesla bus, minivan, or even a Tesla motorhome. So why are we so confident that the Tesla Semi will be a game changer? It's not just about Tesla's production capabilities. What truly excites us are the groundbreaking features of this big rig, and more importantly, the incredible benefits it will bring. In the US, there's a serious shortage of truck drivers, which is becoming a major obstacle in transportation. Trucking is a tough job, and fewer people are entering the profession. In fact, more people are leaving truck driving than joining it. This trend is creating a real logistics problem, and as time goes on, autonomy will be crucial to addressing this need. This is exactly what Elon Musk emphasized when discussing the importance of full self-driving in the upcoming Tesla Semi. Musk pointed out that once the Semi is equipped with full self-driving technology, it will become even more advanced. This feature could be added as early as the end of this year, coinciding with a major ramp-up in Semi production. What makes this even more exciting is that the Tesla Semi is not just an electric truck. It's the world's first Class 8 truck capable of high-level autonomous operation. This will usher in a new era for long-haul transportation. The idea of a Class 8 truck, the largest, most powerful type of heavy-duty truck used for freight hauling, being equipped with full self-driving technology, will completely revolutionize the logistics industry. Imagine a vehicle that can... The Tesla Semi will be able to drive itself for most of the journey, significantly reducing the burden on drivers, especially for long routes spanning hundreds of miles. While drivers will still need to supervise the vehicle and take breaks when necessary, having autonomous driving assistance will help them stay alert, reduce fatigue, and improve overall safety. The shortage of long-haul truck drivers is a growing problem, primarily due to the tough working conditions, constant driving, exposure to engine noise, and the pressure of meeting delivery deadlines. Over the years, accidents related to driver fatigue and drowsiness have become a major concern, highlighting the challenges and risks involved in this profession. Tesla recognizes this reality, which is why they're implementing full self-driving in the Tesla Semi, not only to improve safety, but also to make truck driving a much easier and more sustainable job. When the Tesla Semi enters mass production and integrates full self-driving, drivers won't have to remain behind the wheel for the entire journey. This will be a groundbreaking achievement for a Class 8 truck on long-haul routes. The Semi will be able to operate autonomously, allowing drivers to rest while still keeping up with delivery schedules. This will not only improve drivers' physical and mental well-being, but also make the logistics industry more efficient and seamless. Of course, there will still be situations where driver intervention is needed, like navigating through complex traffic or parking in tight spots. However, one of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Semi is its ability to operate continuously with minimal downtime, maximizing the efficiency of freight transportation. Once businesses realize that electric trucks not only offer significant cost savings, but are also easier to own, simpler to drive, more powerful, and accelerate faster than traditional diesel trucks, there will be no turning back. It might sound unbelievable, but the Tesla Semi has already demonstrated its potential. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that the Tesla Semi is not just an electric truck, it's a game changer for the transportation industry. When you look at the economics, it's clear that the Semi outperforms traditional diesel trucks, offering substantial cost savings for businesses. Back in 2017, when Tesla first introduced the Semi, Musk claimed that its operating cost was about 85 cents per mile, compared to $1.51 per mile for a diesel truck. Fuel and electricity prices may fluctuate over time, but one thing remains constant: the Tesla Semi's outstanding energy efficiency. It consistently maintains an energy consumption rate of just 1.6 to 1.7 kilowatt hours per mile, a performance unmatched by any competitor. If you're wondering whether these numbers hold up in real-world conditions, major customers like PepsiCo, Costco, Walmart, DHL, and SLA have tested their Tesla Semis and confirmed an energy consumption of 1.7 kilowatt hours per mile, exactly as Tesla claimed. In California, with the average electricity rate, 1.7 kilowatt hours costs about 30 cents per mile. This means that when the Semi travels 6.5 miles, it only costs the driver around $3.30. In contrast, a diesel truck with an average fuel consumption of 1 gallon per 6.5 miles will cost about $3.66 at current fuel prices. This difference may seem small, but when you multiply it by the hundreds of thousands of miles trucks travel each year, the savings add up significantly. Beyond fuel costs, one of the biggest advantages of the Tesla Semi is its minimalist yet highly efficient design. There's no bulky internal combustion engine, no complex transmission, and no hundreds of moving parts prone to failure. The Tesla Semi eliminates nearly every factor that requires constant maintenance in diesel trucks. Tesla estimates that the maintenance cost for the Semi is only about 10 cents per mile. If a driver covers 100,000 miles a year, the total maintenance cost over 5 years would be just $50,000. In contrast, a diesel truck has an average maintenance cost of 20 cents per mile, which amounts to $100,000 over 5 years. Double the cost of the Tesla Semi. But cost savings aren't the only benefit. Diesel trucks not only cost more to maintain, but they also require more maintenance time. From engine oil changes and exhaust system maintenance to repairs of complex engine components, each maintenance session can cost thousands of dollars and take the truck off the road, causing major disruptions in the supply chain. With the Tesla Semi, businesses not only save money but also minimize vehicle downtime, optimizing transportation operations. Looking at the bigger picture, the economic benefits of the Tesla Semi go far beyond just fuel savings. This truck is set to revolutionize the long-haul trucking industry. It's built to climb any challenge, making it a game changer for the entire sector. The Tesla Semi can maintain a 10% grade at 60 miles per hour, even when fully loaded, an unprecedented achievement for any semi-truck in the world. In contrast, traditional diesel trucks carrying heavy loads typically can only maintain speeds of around 30 miles per hour on highways, leading to congestion and high fuel consumption. Pushing beyond that speed can risk accidents, as they become unstable and more prone to tipping. PepsiCo drivers who've had the chance to experience the Tesla Semi all say they'd never go back to diesel trucks. The smooth, quiet operation with no engine noise makes them feel more comfortable and reduces stress on the job. Many drivers from PepsiCo and other major transportation companies have expressed their desire to stay in their current roles simply because they get to drive the Tesla Semi. This marks a significant shift in the long-haul trucking industry. Elon Musk has confirmed that the Tesla Semi will be distributed globally, ushering in a new era of trucking that reduces emissions, minimizes noise pollution, and increases operational efficiency, especially in urban areas. However, global expansion still faces some hurdles. For instance, in Australia, current truck size regulations have prevented the Tesla Semi from being approved. While efforts are underway to push for legislative changes, this could take several years. One of the Tesla Semi's greatest advantages is its regenerative braking system. Tesla claims the truck can recover nearly all its energy when going downhill, optimizing its range. In fact, the amount of regenerated energy is almost equal to the energy consumed during regular driving. This is a huge advantage for drivers who are limited to a maximum of 8 hours of driving per day. With its current range, the Tesla Semi fully meets the needs of most transportation companies. Additionally, with the development of the next generation 4,680 battery cells, which offer higher energy density, the range of the Tesla Semi is set to increase in the near future, making diesel trucks a thing of the past. We're looking at the possibility of the next version of the Semi reaching 600 miles on a single charge. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to explore more exciting information about the Tesla Semi or Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Next Gen Theories and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.